Hi guys, Big Niche here. I just arrived to my grandmother's place in Florida and I am about to go in and visit with her for a little bit, but while I am here, I asked her to make her microwave peanut brittle with me. So I'm going to see if she's going to be down to video that for you guys. And I just stopped by Publix in their produce section to get these raw peanuts, which we're going to use for that, and I will go over the rest of the ingredients once I'm inside with her. And they're not salted or anything, they're just plain raw peanuts. They are shelled, and I also got the ones without the skin just because I prefer them without the skin. I mean, you can use the ones with the skin, but I prefer them without the skin. To me, it's just like those popcorn kernel skins that when you eat them, they sometimes get stuck in your teeth, and I didn't want to deal with that. So anyway, these are the ones that I got, and I will update you guys when I am inside with her in just a bit. Old-fashioned peanut brittle in the microwave with Grams. Say hi, Grams. She says hi.
Hi.
So she just pulled this out. It's a little recipe that you did this on a typewriter, didn't you?
Yes.
She did this on a typewriter, and she has a whole book of these. And it looks like we need 1 cup of raw peanuts, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of white corn syrup. Sorry, half a cup, that was a lie. 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon of butter. Those are our ingredients, and I will post this in the description as well. So I will post the ingredients and instructions in the description as well. That is that. What's it say? We're gonna make 2 batches. 8-cup measuring, stir together peanuts, sugar, bam, bam, syrup, and salt. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. You want me to do the syrup?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, it's really stuck. We're already making a mess. Can I borrow that rag?
Yeah, I've got an opener or I've got pliers.
That's fine.
Okay.
Which one do you want me to use? This one? One of these?
What? How much? Half a cup?
Well, are we doing 2?
No, we do one. We have to do it separate.
Okay. I didn't know where that went when I knocked
That's
it off
all right.
earlier. I come to visit my grandmother and I put her straight to work. Yeah. You're right, this microwave does get hot. Boiling.
We can turn it off. It's been
Okay.
the butter.
Yep, and the vanilla. Do we stir again? Or?
It's hot.
Oh, you're right. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Smells amazing. Yeah, it was sticking to the napkin, so I just put it on top of the spoon.
Yeah, good.
Wow. You are not joking. Serious business.
Get off there.
Good luck.
There. You're
Just
right.
stick it
that's
to the
good.
spoon, yeah. There we go. 1 more minute. Oh, we gotta clear it
Oh,
first.
that's right. I think the
Yes.
next one we can do. I think we can do it in 6 minutes, really.
Yeah, I think so too. That makes sense. I'm sorry I didn't offer that to you.
Yeah, it is dark.
Oh, we got a bunch more. So the last thing you added was the baking soda, right?
Mm-hmm.
And just stir it until it's foamy and pour it right in the buttered.
Right.
baking sheet.
And you can't get it all out.
Right.
No, we'll do it 3 minutes and 3 minutes. 'Cause I know I've done it before. There's no way you can get it all out of there. So.
No. Oh, this science experiment over here.
That's a shame.
It is. We tried.
Never ever, not even my first try, I did. Well, I had a different microwave too.
Oh. Oh. Mm. It would have been beautiful, you can tell.
Yes, it would have. Would have.
You put it in for 3, I guess.
Yes.
Okay. Just checking. I wanted to try one with the peanut, but I wonder if that makes it worse. Is the peanut super burnt? Did you try it?
I didn't even have one with a nut in it. Just the nut that did it.
It's very... It's worse now.
Yeah, just throw that in the garbage.
Okay. Oh, it's so sad. Y'all just want to... Oh, well, hold on. Yeah, that looks much better.
Yeah, if we see it getting dark, we're going to take it out.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure it'll get hard. 3.
So I just want to point out my grandmother's style. Look at these awesome pants matching these awesome kicks.
I think I
And-
got syrup again.
Somehow, I'll get it. For our cooking show, we decided to wear matching sweaters. It wasn't even on purpose. Oh,
I don't know if I did or not. I thought I'd
She's making a mess. Cinderella. She's got me over here cleaning her floors. That was a trick.
I think it's
She's
right
like, if
there.
I drop it, she'll scrub my floors clean. You need the pot holder?
No, I don't think so. I need the, yeah. And the
Butter.
butter.
$30 seconds on that bad boy.
We'll do 30 seconds.
Alright. Ready, set. Baking soda. Handle. There you go.
That looks much better.
Yeah, it does. Ooh-wee. Look at there. That is going to be edible.
It just gets hard so quick.
Mm-hmm.
Getting it everywhere.
Oh, good. And you just spread it out on the sheet and then break it up and eat it. Once it's cool.
Right. I spread it out as much as I can. Then I cover up the holes, which isn't that necessary. You know, because it's...
Yeah, you'll break it up anyway, right?
Right.
Yeah. True.
But I tried.
It does make for a nice display. That's much prettier.
Yes. Success the second time.
We did it. Look at that. It's a beauty. Yay.
Even though it breaks like this, it's soft. You go the other way and it just cracks right off.
True. I like how she gives me little treats in between breaking. Thanks for doing all the hard work.
Oh, it's not hard. It's really super easy. Anybody that can make candy in 6 minutes can't be too bad, can it? Whoop.
Right.
There you go.
Yay. Success. We did it. Whoa.